this is video 2 on quality, or part 2 on the quality topic. We're still covering the quality topic, so this is the second video on the quality topic. I will just go again, speak slowly, step by step, just to let you understand what we are going to cover in this video. So, learning outcomes, as I mentioned in the first video, the quality topic, we have to cover 5 outcomes. First one, what is quality? That I have already covered in video 1, and you will have a small quiz on video 1 as well, after you cover video 1 or after you understand video 1, and then we'll move to video 2, which I'm going to cover the quality, the link between quality and financial performance, and then introduce what are quality models or approaches or theories or methods in this video. So, I'm repeating again, quality means producing a high quality product. In terms of management accounting, means a defect-free product. So researchers argue, do you think improved quality has a positive effect on financial performance? I always raise this question in face-to-face classes and ask students in front of me what they think, whether the improving quality will have a positive effects on financial performance. And to be very honest, something like 100% or 90% or the majority of the students agree that improving the quality will have some positive effects on financial performance. And after that, I will pause for a while and say, okay, how do you think that achieving quality, improving quality, producing a high quality product, which means a defect-free product, has some positive effects on financial performance? Let's speak about that and take it step by step. We agreed that you as a customer and me as a customer, any customer, when they go and buy a product and they find out that this product is a high quality product, between two brackets, a defect-free product, they will buy the product again. So the current customers of whatever company A, if they are happy with the product, they will buy the product again. So buying more products means we can translate this into more sales. More sales means more profits. More profits means enhancing financial performance. Second point, if the current customers are happy and satisfied. So for example, if you are happy and satisfied with whatever the product, you are going to tell your friends, your relatives, your family, as a word of mouth, you are going to advertise for this particular company. So other customers or new customers will go and buy the product. So for any company to produce a defect-free product, they will not only satisfy the current customers, they will also attract new customers. So attracting more customers, this translated into more sales. More sales means more profits. More profits means enhancing financial performance. Second point, so we covered customers here. Second point, if we think about for any company to produce a defect-free product, that means me and you as customers, we are going to buy the product, we are use it, utilize it, whatever. That means the rate of return will be reduced. So if the rate of return will be reduced, this will reduce any other costs, including repair cost and etc. Reducing the costs means increasing profit, or will be translated later on into increasing profits. Increasing profits will lead to increasing or enhancing financial performance. If we think also about inventory and manufacturing cost, inventory cost including raw material, work in process, finished goods. If the company receive only or accept only high quality of raw material, which means a defective free raw material, that means the level of inventory will be reduced, and that means that the inventory costs will be reduced. If inventory costs will be reduced, this means that the total manufacturing cost will be reduced for the product. If the total manufacturing cost will be reduced, this might be reflected later on increasing profits. Increasing profits will lead to enhancing financial performance. So we just explained how we can the improving quality will enhance financial performance. Sometimes I bring this question in the final exam, so please listen to the video again, and you can just sit down and add more to the discussion with the same way, including suppliers. So for example, if the companies will only deal with reputable suppliers, that means that the company will not accept any defect raw material at all. So suppliers will provide companies with high quality of raw material, which means a defect free raw material. And this is you can just spend and explain how quality enhance financial performance from a variety of dimensions. But if I bring this question into final exam, it will be more than enough if you explain about current customers, attracting new customers, reducing rate of return, reducing inventory cost, the effect of manufacturing cost. This is really illustrate that you understood the link between quality and financial performance. And then I will move to the traditional versus robust quality. The traditional versus robust, there are two models, or there are two approaches, or there are two theories, or there are two models. Just give them the name you want, but this is our approaches, methods, models, ways, whatever, in terms of quality. There is the traditional model and the robust model. The traditional, as you can see, assume that there is an acceptable range of values for each specification of quality or characteristics, and robust means hitting the target value every time. When I present this in front of students as face-to-face teaching, I'm always saying, yeah, this is the definition of each one of them. But just imagine that you are appointed as management accountant in a company, and they are going to implement quality, and they have these two approaches in front of them. Which one you are going to recommend to the company, and why? I give them 5-10 minutes. Of course, there is no any time to give you here in this video. But some students saying, yeah, we'll go for traditional is more logic. Others say, no, robust, because it's we really need to hit the target at each time, and we are aiming for a zero defect policy, etc. But the main question is, I would expect a student to ask me what industry we are going to work for. Because if we are working on manufacturing, for example, let's say Coca-Cola company, yes, we would accept that there is acceptable range of values in each specification of quality, and there are allowing, you can just say 2% up and down, etc. And but if you are working in a service like NHS, you will never ever accept anything but 100%. Let's say you have a watch. I'm always just telling this to my students. You have a watch, and this watch is, you as a person know that this watch has either 2 minutes forward or 2 minutes backward, but it's still, you can live with it. You can still use the watch. You can arrange everything based on the watch. You know that the watch is reliable. You can depend on it, but if you have any appointment with anyone and you look at the watch, it's 5 to 9. You know it's not 5 to 9, it's 7 to 9, or it's 3 minutes to 9. But you can still, you can plan ahead around that. It's not harmful. However, if we are talking about NHS, if you are going to go for an operation, for example, any operation related to your eyes, and the doctor saying, okay, here is a paperwork. To be very honest with you, it's not 100% sure whether the operation will be successful. It might be this, it might be, even 0.00005%. You will be doubting to go for this operation. So in some in some industries, in some sectors, will never ever accept anything but 100%. Having said that many companies now, in terms of globalization, etc., they are looking forward to a zero defect policy. So robust means a zero defect policy, and this is what every single company is trying to do. Traditional, they try to move away from the traditional. Again, before I finish off with this video, the main message of this video is just to know the link between quality and financial performance, and to know the concept of traditional versus robust, or traditional versus zero defect policy. This is all I need from you to absorb from this video. Thank you. See you in another video.